Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So today started out amazing. What a day in the overall stock market. We saw huge gains all across the board. It was green everywhere. So I have two trades for you guys today in today's recap. And before we get started, if you would take literally half a second, tap that like button for me. It helps out the channel grow. And other than that, if you're new, maybe subscribe. We have new videos every day, and we're building a nice community here. And we're going to all help each other out. We're going to make some money in 2021 together. But the markets, getting back to the big gains today that we're seeing, it all started on Friday. Now, these trades that I took, I actually bought Friday. One of them I bought Friday in the after hours session. So this is going to be a very interesting recap for you guys to see why did I have conviction? What gave me the confidence to actually hold something over the weekend? I don't normally ever do that. So I'm going to show you what exactly I was looking at and why I actually took those positions. So here we go. Let's share the screen. All right, this is what we were looking at. This right here, what you guys see is the NASDAQ composite. Okay, if you guys want to plug this in, it's just COMP as the ticker for this. So this trend line here, this purple line, okay, this is the daily chart. This is going back all the way until the summer, last summer. So I drew this trend. This is what technical analysis gets you, okay? You draw from the bottom, and then it hits a second time, and then it hits a third time. And a lot of times it'll either bounce off of it or it'll break down under it. And when it does, they're always such huge moves, okay? So what I noticed, and in videos that I made prior to this right here, okay, I made a video right around here that pretty much predicted this move. You guys can go back and look. It was only a week ago when I made it. I was talking about the RSI. So I was saying if we broke under 50 on the RSI, which the last time that happened was back here at the end of October. And then we had a bigger correction. So I said, if it's not one of these right here, like you see here, if it's not one of these quick pullbacks that only went to 50 and we actually broke below 50 on the RSI, then I was telling everybody to be careful. You might have more of a sell-off, which is exactly what happened. So we sold off a little bit more. Let me see if I could draw this out for you guys, make it easier. Right here, I'm just trying to draw a trend line. This is where we bounced here and we came back up. This is where we went right through it. And then look at this. It comes back up, touches the same level on the RSI, and just dips even further. And this RSI coincides perfectly with this trend line. When you start having things like this just coming together so perfectly, it explains and you can predict a lot of future moves. It's really, really crazy to see it actually come to fruition after a while. So it bounces off this level on the RSI. This is what I'm looking at right here. We go all the way down to, I think it was, let me see, about 37, okay? That's even lower than on this correction. So right about here, we tried to go back up. It hit its head again on the trend line and just dropped like a rock. But look at this, look at this support that we have starting to set up here. That is a nice support level. Usually what this means when you see this touching this many times, usually what this will mean is you have algorithms, okay? A lot of computers, a lot of trading now is done by algorithms, and there's computers. There's not even anybody actually behind them doing it. So it looks like when it hits this 1300 level on the NASDAQ composite, that it just buys, okay? It just buys whatever is either oversold, and that's where you see these big bounces. So I'm getting a little bit long-winded with this chart, but I think this is really important to understand. As we come up here, okay, where once again we've approached this 50 level on the RSI. Tomorrow is very important. Are we going to hit our head against this trend line and come back down, or are we going to blow through it? These are things that we should all be watching. When I say tomorrow, this video probably won't upload until Tuesday morning, but you guys you'll have the video before the market opens, so you'll be able to see this. So we just have to keep an eye on it. But the reason why I purchased stock here is because on Friday, the market rebounded on the NASDAQ. And I liked to see that bounce off the 13,000 level, not 1,300, if I said that before. So let's go over the trades that I took. Here, let me just show you. Hang on one second. Get active trader up. All right, the first one, Apple. Okay, Apple. We bought 60. Let me just get back here. Okay, here's the buy here. Now, guys, this happened on Friday at, let's see, about 6 o'clock or so on Friday afternoon. The market extended hours is open until 8 o'clock. So you guys should all probably know that. And the reason why I bought here at 122 was look at this sell-off that happened right at market close, okay? It dropped from 125 just about to 121, a 4-point drop in 15 minutes for absolutely no reason. And this is what an irrational sell-off is. So I picked up the 60 shares right here and I sold the 60 shares right here in, Monday's pre-market. The reason why I sold it here is because the market at this point was already up pre-market over 300 points. Did I think that this was going to happen and that we were going to go up over 600 points? Obviously not in one, trading day. But I was totally happy with taking the profit off right here. This was a very, very nice swing trade. And I love to see this continuation. It's a great sign. It means that, the dips are getting bought up. There's a lot of money coming back into the market that may have gotten scared out. So the next one that I did is a Bitcoin type of stock. So right here, I got in on Friday. I just bought the dip here, 500 shares at about $4.20 and sold it pre-market when it jumped up here to about 430. give or take, for a very nice profit as well. So today was a good day. I don't normally swing trade over the weekend, but I went over my thinking with that, especially seeing the NASDAQ composite just bounce off that 13,000 level like that. And I had a strong feeling that we were going to continue that momentum into Monday. And also, stimulus passed the House, and that also gave way to a lot of euphoria in the markets. Whenever there's a lot of stimulus coming, that's normally a very good thing for the stock market. So those were the two trades. Got a little long here with the video, but I really wanted to let you guys in on my thinking of why I took these two swing trades and the technical analysis I did for you guys on the NASDAQ and what to look for tomorrow. Will we go up to that line? Will we come down? Will we break through it? We got to just keep an eye on it and see what happens. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up for me, and I will see you back tomorrow with the next video. Take care, guys.